My name is Shiva Augustin and I'm the owner and founder of Omi, an all-natural skincare brand based in Grenada. I became interested in all-natural products since about 2015 when I had my daughter. Becoming a mom made me very aware of the ingredients and how clean they need to be, and I was very conscious of not using anything toxic on my daughter's skin. And in looking for products, I realized that there was a gap in the market. And so eventually in 2018 I started Omi, which only uses natural ingredients, primarily those sourced in Grenada. I use cocoa butter, cocoa, coconut oil, and everything that's clean and basically everything that's edible. So the first product that I created is an all-natural whipped body butter using pure organic cocoa butter sourced right here in Grenada from Belmont Estate, another local business. And then from there on, I branched out and created different scents inspired by, Grenada and the Caribbean. So I have a lemongrass one, and then I also started incorporating other scents that I love. Only using essential oils, I never use artificial fragrances. Again, because I just want to ensure that the products are as pure and almost as edible as possible. I also have a honey sugar scrub in 2 different scents, one with rose, one with lavender rosemary. I have a product that I perfected this year, which is chocolate mousse. It's a whipped sugar scrub where I use, again, the organic cocoa butter found here in Grenada, organic cocoa powder and sugar. I have a lightweight face oil where I infuse calendula flowers and rose petals, and it's a long process. I don't heat anything up, so it's cold infused over like a month period. And then I have a lip balm, honey lips lip balm and lip scrub. GIDC helped me to register my business a few years ago, and they made the process very easy. And then a few years into running my business, somebody from GIDC and also a fellow business owner friend of mine told me about this incentive package that GIDC has that allows me to obtain concessions. The process for applying was even simpler than I thought. I made it a bit more complicated for myself. I gave way too much information, but the staff here were very friendly and they assisted me, and in about 2 to 3 weeks I obtained my concessions, and now I'm able to import my supplies, factory equipment, which is actually in my kitchen, my packaging supplies and my raw materials at a lower cost, because now I don't have to pay high amounts of taxes on them, which makes running my business that much more sustainable. So you can find my online shop on Instagram at Omi Grenada, and right there in the link in my bio you can find my online shop, which is shopomi.kite.site, and kite is spelled K-Y-T-E. And you can also find my products in store at the House of Chocolate on Yonge Street in St. George's, the Closet at the Food Fair Shopping Complex, and Blue Haven Spa at Triple Bay Boutique Resort.